Welcome to our tutorial on how to mute a thread post on Android using the Threads app. If you're receiving too many notifications for a specific thread post, muting it can help declutter your inbox and keep you focused on what matters. To get started, open the Threads app on your Android phone and log in. Scroll to the post that you want to mute. Next, tap on the three dots icon located on the right side of the post. This will open up a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select the Mute option. This will mute the thread post and prevent you from receiving any notifications related to it. Muting a thread post is a useful feature that can help you stay focused and organized. It's particularly useful when you're part of a group chat and don't want to be constantly notified about every message. If you ever want to unmute a thread post, simply follow the same steps and select the Unmute option from the drop-down menu. Threads is a messaging app developed by Facebook that allows you to stay connected with your close friends and family. With features like customizable statuses, reactions, and the ability to send photos and videos, Threads is a fun and convenient way to keep in touch with your loved ones. One of the benefits of using Threads is that it allows you to control your notifications. You can customize your notification settings for individual conversations, mute specific threads, or turn off notifications altogether. Muting a thread post is just one way that you can customize your notifications on Threads. Whether you're trying to limit distractions or simply want to prioritize certain conversations, Threads gives you the flexibility to tailor your messaging experience to your needs. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials like this one. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.